So these are the only ingredients you will need for this recipe. To start with, you may choose to use dry spaghetti pasta or angel hairs. And over here you have the red Thai chilies, fresh picked mince from my garden, lemon, a whole large lemon. You will also need cloves of garlics and sweet ripened tomatoes. Of course, scallions. These are also picked from my garden. And then of course 2 of these ingredients for seasoning, fish sauce and sugar. Very simple. And that's it. Let's start. Okay, so to begin with, you want to boil a large pot of boiling water. Once your water is boiled, go ahead and add about a tablespoon of salt to your boiling water and about 1 tablespoon of oil to prevent the pasta from sticking. In this recipe, as you can see, I used 2 boxes of pasta to serve for 6 servings. Now, in this case, you may choose to use whichever pasta you wish. You could also use angel hair if you like. Once your pasta looks almost cooked, you want to make sure to taste for texture before you drain. Rinse with cold water immediately and drain well before you mix your pasta. Okay, so at this point you want to mix in incorporate your spicy lemon mint pasta salad by tossing in your sweetened ripened tomatoes that are diced, followed by your chopped scallions. As you can see, the coloration is already beautiful as is so far. Next, you want to go ahead and toss in the minced garlics. Now, using the whole lemon rind that's grated, add that into the mix, followed by your freshly chopped mint leaves. I would save the tip of the mint sprigs for garnish, and then the rest just go ahead and toss it into the salad, pasta salad. Now here you want to add your seasoning of fish sauce. You would drizzle approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons into the pasta salad, followed by 1.5 to a tablespoon of sugar. Of course, you want to adjust to taste. Some people prefer more saltier, and some people would want more of a balanced taste. Last but not least, for your seasoning is the whole lemon juice. Use the lemon that you grated the rind for, so you don't go to waste. And now all you need to do is give it a good mix. Toss it around a little. A big bowl, mixing bowl is so crucial because it will make it so much easier to toss the pasta to incorporate all the ingredients together. Okay, so here you want to add your sliced Thai chili. Of course, this is also adjusted for taste depending on how spicy you want your dish to be. I recommend once you get a good grip of your pasta, go ahead and twirl it a little bit. It helps a lot when you want to plate it. That way it make the plating so much more easier to incorporate. And then just garnish it with the tip of the mint sprigs. So there it is, voila! Your dish is ready to serve. It's so beautiful. Look at that color. It is amazingly good by itself as is. It's tangy, spicy, it's very well balanced. I would say you could serve it with pork chops, steaks, however way you like it. But it is so delicious as is. So I hope you like this as much as my families do. Please do enjoy.